What does the passage mention about California public employees retirement system? Where do we have this reference? The reference is there in the third paragraph, where it is mentioned that this retirement system has revised its practices related to the everyday operation of public funds. And what kind of revision is this? This revision relates to creating mechanism of corporate governance, and this is cited as an example of developing monitoring schemes that incorporate corporate governance. So we need to answer this question in this context. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, it previously lacked CSR guidelines. The passage mentions that the retirement system incorporated corporate governance into its CSR guidelines and everyday operation, but it cannot be established that it lacked CSR guidelines previously. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, it currently monitors public funds in accordance with corporate governance practices. Yes, this is the thought presented here. It says that the retirement system revised its best practices related to public funds. And what kind of revision was it? In the revision, it incorporated corporate governance aspects. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice C, it currently collaborates with the private sector. Now, collaboration with the private sector is mentioned in the passage, and it says that institutional investors are collaborating with the private sector. And the passage mentions that this retirement system is an institutional investor, but there is no direct reference to suggest that this particular retirement system is collaborating with the private sector. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, it became the largest institutional non-profit after focusing on corporate governance. So the passage mentions that it is one of the largest institutional investors and it is incorporating corporate governance, but it doesn't suggest that it became the largest after, this is the keyword here, after focusing on corporate governance. This answer choice cannot be established and hence it can be ruled out. Answer choice E, it lacked investor accountability prior to its focus on corporate governance. Now, the passage mentions that this system is trying to incorporate corporate governance in an effort to create mechanisms for investor accountability. However, the passage doesn't suggest that the retirement system lacked investor accountability previously. So this answer choice can be eliminated. So B is the correct answer.